Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. So what is this instrument? So number one, you will see this is a dilator. Actually, you will see that the blade here is curved. So you will see curvature or curved blade. You will see presence of curved blade, and the tip, if you see, the tip is blunt and smooth, and the tip is blunt and smooth tip. Okay, and there is no catch. It is actually a dilator. Okay, so what is this? This is actually a tracheal dilator. So as the name says, it is used during tracheostomy to dilate the trachea. So it is used to dilate the trachea during tracheostomy. Okay, it can be used in tracheostomy. Okay, so thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.